For years, scientists have been curious about Mars, the red planet, and shelter or not humans would be able to live there. Recent research has proved that there is water on the planet, and in fact, NASA is now planning for a manned mission to Mars in the 2030s. Would you like to be a part of this great mission? Then, there are a few things you might want to know about Mars. On Mars, you'll get extra time in the day to do the things you want to do, like sleep in. Mars rotates at almost exactly the same speed as Earth, making its days just 37 minutes longer than our own. But that's nothing compared to the extra time you'll get in a year. The Martian year is far longer, lasting 687 Earth days. That means seasons on Mars are about twice as long as they are on Earth. For example, in 1 year, you can enjoy about 7 months of spring, 6 months of summer, a little more than 5 months of fall, and only about 4 months of winter. Mars' atmosphere. The air on Earth is about 21% oxygen and 78% nitrogen. But the atmosphere on Mars consists of 96% carbon dioxide and less than 0.2% oxygen. If you try breathing the air on Mars, you will quickly breathe your last breath. However, according to scientists at NASA, on Mars, it is highly likely there is still water on the polar ice caps and possibly under the planet's surface. The water could be used to produce oxygen by splitting up the hydrogen and oxygen atoms. The polar ice caps are an average of 3 kilometers thick. If they were completely melted, the Martian surface could be covered with about 5.6 meters of water. Mars gets about 60% of the sunlight we experience on Earth. And the average temperature on Mars is -63°C. If it were not rough, a shelter specially designed to protect you, you would not survive the cold. More serious is that giant red dust storms frequently cover the entire planet, and they can throw dust up to 40 kilometers into the air and last for months at a time. Furthermore, Mars lacks the protective ozone layer we have in Earth's atmosphere. Therefore, don't forget to take some serious sunscreen with you, like SPF 1000. Otherwise, you would get severely sunburned there. Mars gravity. You don't have to struggle to lose weight on Mars. It has a gravity that's only 37.5% of Earth's, which means that if you weighed 60 kilograms, you would weigh